Blessings. First and foremost, I must say happy Mother's Day to all you wonderful mothers out there, especially the ones who are left to shoulder it on their own without having a responsible man to assist and play the part in their child's life. You're indeed a blessing, and I hope you'll be encouraged to find the strength in moving forward with your family. So this afternoon, some of the stories that will be mentioned: woman loses both hands during alleged domestic dispute. Also coming up, 14-year-old plus US citizen missing. So that's and more, and to stay in the know about what is happening in Jamaica, you need to join the family, and it is quite easy. All you have to do is remember that if you're new to the channel, if it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe, plus click the notification bell, and while doing so select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activities on our channel. And also remember to give this video a like for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more beatitude. Stay safe. The Jamaica Constabulary Force, the JCF, is reporting a 23% increase in the seizure of illegal firearms since the start of the year. A total of 226 illegal firearms have been removed from the nation's streets this year as compared with the similar period last year. Of note is the fact that there has been a 92% increase in the seizure of deadly assault rifles in 2021 this year. Since the start of the year, the police have seized 25 rifles as compared with the 13 seized at this time last year. The police have also seen a 31% increase in the removal of pistols from the streets. There have been 161 seized, which is 38 more than last year. The police have seized 8 deadly SMG submachine guns this year, 6 more than the 2 seized in 2020. So commendations are in order once again for the St. James Police Division, which continues to lead the nation with 52 seizures since the start of the year. St. Andrew South is the division that has seized the second most firearms with 31, while St. Catherine North and St. Catherine Central both have seized 18. St. Catherine South has seized 16 guns and Westmoreland 15. In the meantime, the police are urging persons who believe they have information that could lead to the seizure of guns and or the capture of gunmen to call Crime Stop at 311 or Police Emergency at 119. And please, if you see something, say something, because fighting crime is a collective effort. The police will need information from time to time that can assist them in completing a successful operation. So why not join hands before it reaches your doorstep? And if you feel as if you don't trust some members of the force, then you can give whatever information you have anonymously using the emergency numbers, which is Crime Stop and the police emergency number. Thank you very much. Now over to some missing persons, and another alert has been activated for 14-year-old Shante Coban of Corey Drive, Kingston 20, who has been missing since Friday, May 7. She is of brown complexion, stout built, and about 5 feet 6 inches tall. Reports from the Duhaney Park Police are that about 9 a.m. Shante was last seen at home wearing a blue t-shirt, brown shorts, and a pair of sneakers. She has not been heard from since. So anyone knowing the whereabouts of Shante Coban is being asked to contact the Duhaney Park Police at 876-933-4280. Police 119 emergency number or the nearest police station in your vicinity. Also on the list is 20-year-old Sazone Gray of Buckner Boulevard, Dallas, Texas, USA, and he has been missing since Monday, May 3. Reports from the Negril Police are that about 11 a.m. Gray was last seen at a guest house in the West End Negril and has not been heard from since. He is of dark complexion, medium built, and about 177 centimeters, which is about 5 feet 10 inches tall. His mode of dress at the time he went missing is unknown. So anyone knowing the whereabouts of Sazone Gray is being asked to contact the Negril Police at 876-957-4268. Police 119 emergency number or the nearest police station in your vicinity. And saying this about my country, it's not a good feeling, because the truth is, when coming back to Jamaica or visiting the island, if you're not a born Jamaican, you need to be very careful. Don't get overly excited and start off by trying to set up a date online before you come. You might just be organizing your own funeral during that process, because you have persons on the internet, both males and females, and that is just their job, that is what they do, scamming each and every way possible. As long as there's a gain that is of use to them. The men, they will use the female as a decoy to assist them as they go along. But the true owner of that account is a male, and the females will play along, send you all different types of pictures of every crevice and corner of their body. And when you get here in Jamaica, it's all over like Callistus. So please be careful and don't date anyone online. It's not safe. You need to quit the practice. Now, I have a very touching video of a young lady that is in need of some help. She is a 24-year-old single mother. She has no hands. According to Intel, she lost both hands through domestic violence when someone, well, it is said that a man viciously removed both hands, both of them, during the heat of the moment. So she is now helpless at this moment. She is unable to fend for her kids, and the kids' father are not playing their part. So if any good Samaritan can step in benevolently and assist her, it would be appreciated by heart. And the number to call is 876-397-7634. And when you call, tell the lady on the phone that you would like to speak to her directly. So what she can do is tell you when this young lady is coming back to collect her donations, so you know just when to give them a call, and you will get the you can speak directly to her. So there you have it. And before you go, remember that if you're new to the channel, if it is your first time over here, please, I'm asking you to subscribe, plus click the notification bell, and while doing so, select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activities on our channel, on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more beatitude. Stay safe. Happy Sunday.
Today, we join many other countries and organizations across the world in celebrating our mothers. History will show that the Jamaica Constabulary Force places high value on the women, many of them mothers, who continue to distinguish themselves in all aspects of policing. As mothers in law enforcement, whether biological or adopted, whether godmother or foster mother, grandmother or a mother figure, we acknowledge the extraordinary sacrifice you make, not only to nurture, protect and provide for your own families, but to protect and serve the people in our country. I see you, your colleagues and your families see you, donning your uniforms and getting on with the business of service, especially within the altered reality of a global pandemic. You make our citizens feel safer every time you patrol our streets or respond to the many different calls for service. With each crime you investigate and criminal suspect you place before the courts, from gangsters to fraudsters, someone's life is made better because of it. The specialist skills you utilize with each duty you perform in support of our operational, investigative, and administrative functions takes us closer to building a more efficient and trusted police force. We all see you, standing at crime scenes consoling those whose loved ones were taken away, and diffusing domestic conflicts within the homes of many Jamaicans. We see you availing yourselves to the care of the nation's children, even as you adjust your own child care arrangements in the context of COVID-19. It is within that universal sentiment of a mother embracing those who seek her comfort, I use this opportunity to reaffirm that no one will be turned away when they seek our assistance. At a time of increased awareness around abuses against our women, we reaffirm our promise to Jamaica that every person who comes to us for help will be attended to with urgency and respect, no matter their circumstance. And so, on this special day, let us pause to recognize the over 4,900 women, many of them mothers, who proudly serve the JCF and Jamaica. I admire your fortitude and your dedication, and wish for you success and fulfillment in your personal and professional lives. Your strength of will and character serve as a blueprint for us being a force for good for our country. While we recognize the mothers of the JCF, our district constables and civilian staff, I also extend the best of wishes to all our mothers throughout the length and breadth of Jamaica, including my own mother. I am fully aware that the worth of our mothers far exceeds the expressions of gratitude we share today, but I trust that you will nevertheless accept them as a token of our respect and adoration for doing one of the most important jobs in the world, being a mother. Happy Mother's Day to you all.